here at FASS Fuel Systems. We're here today with 4x4 Barbie. We're getting ready to install one of our new Signature Series FASS systems on our 2017 Superduty.
I started building trucks when I was about 15 and just kind of worked my way up. This here is my 17 Platinum. I call her Kandy. It's kind of a fun name for her. She's built by McIntosh Motorsports in Ohio. She's running 28s on 44-inch boggers. So does that come in pink?
No.
Oh.
I mean, we could probably get it custom made in pink.
Should have done that.
All right, so we just got your FASS system installed and completed. Now I know you said since you have the fuel tank mounted in the back, you guys have been really concerned about water in your diesel fuel. And with this system installed, you're definitely not gonna have to worry about that. Like I said before, gonna remove all that water to ensure your engine's not gonna have any problems going back and forth to the shows. We're happy to work with you.
No problem. Thanks for having me out, guys.